Hello, I'm Sue Muir. I'm one of the teachers of the deaf here at Whitefield Outreach. The purpose of this video today is to talk to you about the eClarity FM systems that we currently use with some of our students in the mainstream classrooms. We tend to use these ones with our secondary students, and the feedback has been really good. They're really enjoying these. It comes as two parts. We have the transmitter, which is worn by the teacher or the person speaking, and we have the receiver, which is worn by the hearing aid wearer. Looking at the transmitter, we have some buttons on the front. We have an on-off button, so to switch on your device, you just hold the button down until the display comes up. We have a volume control, and we also have a speaker, which is for muting. It has a short aerial and a microphone. The transmitter is worn around the neck, and the microphone is simply clipped onto a lapel. We suggest a distance about the same as the distance from the tip of your thumb to the tip of your little finger. When wearing the microphone, avoid wearing other things around your neck, such as necklaces, lanyards or glasses, as they tend to tap against the microphone, which can be very distracting for the hearing aid wearer. When we come to the receiver, we have the same buttons here. We have an on-off button, so we just hold that down. When both devices are switched on, it's important to hold them next to each other so they can find each other. You can tell when they found each other as the displays will stop flashing. As part of the receiver, they come with audio input leads. These will plug directly into the audio input shoes on the hearing aid user's hearing aids. Once clipped into place and both devices are on, then the hearing aid wearer should be able to hear the person speaking very clearly. To check this, it's always worth stepping outside of the room and asking a question and see if your hearing aid wearer can answer it when you come back into the room. On the transmitter, there is a mute button, which we mentioned earlier. This is useful for when you need to turn off your device, but only for a short amount of time. It may be when another teacher comes to speak to you, or you need to step out of the classroom to speak to another student. You simply press the button and you will see a flashing microphone on your display. That shows that the device is on mute and you're free to talk. When the device is on and the student can hear you, it's important to remember that there's a very long range. So if you do happen to go to the staff room whilst wearing your device and it's still switched on, the student will be able to hear you. For the student, this is worn again with a lanyard around the neck. Some students like to put it in their inside pocket, whatever's comfortable for them, and then the leads will just go up to their hearing aids. And that's the eClarity.